what? Equally sharing of number, right? So equally sharing of number is nothing but division. And I can also say that repeated subtraction is also division, right? So the symbol for division is what? This, and we read it out as divided by. So I have a small example. From this example I will tell you what is a divisor, what is the dividend, what is the quotient, and what is the remainder. Now here 18 is divided by 2. Okay, 18 is divided by 2. So I have written 2 outside and 18 inside this braces. So 18 over here is nothing but the dividend. So why I am calling 18 as dividend? Because I am dividing that number. So as I am dividing that number with some other number, this number is called dividend. And the number which I am dividing with, okay, 2 is dividing 18, right? So 2 is called what? Divisor. And the answer which I get, like 2, how many times it is dividing the dividend, the divisor, how many times it is dividing the dividend, that is nothing but the quotient. Okay, and the remaining answer which I get at the bottom after doing the repeated subtraction in the division is the remainder. Here the remainder is 0. So from all this we can say that this is dividend, this is divisor, and this is quotient, and this is remainder, right? Now basing on all these words, we have a statement to verify our division. Okay, to verify our division. This is nothing but dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. But if the remainder is 0, okay, there is no need of writing this plus remainder. Okay, if I get any other number, like for suppose if I divide a number, I am getting 18 as remainder, or 2 as remainder, or 16 as remainder, or 4 as remainder, okay, or 6 as remainder. What will I do? I need to add this number over here after multiplying the divisor and the quotient. But if the remainder is 0, there is no need of adding remainder. Now dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Children, this is a short recall for division which have you learned from the previous chapters too, in the previous class also. Now we will do a normal example of division. Now children, I have an example on the board. We will do the long division. Okay, it is a 4-digit number which is divided by a 2-digit number. So the 4-digit number is 9520 and it is divided by 85. So first I need to write it in the division form. So it is 85, it is 9520, right? So first one number is what? 9. I cannot divide 9 by 85. So I will be taking 2 digits. And as 95 is greater than 85, I can take 2 digits and I will continue. So 85 1 times is how much? 85. So because this is the nearest number, if I go for 2 times, it is becoming a 3-digit number which is not valid. Now 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. So I need to get down this 2 over here. Now I have 1 or 2. So I will be reading out 85 table, I will check it and I will take a nearer number or a same number, right? So 85 again 1 times is 85. So I need to subtract because 85 2 times it is more than 1 or 2. So I am taking 85 1 times. So 2 minus 1 I can't do it. So I need to borrow, right? Now from 0 I can't borrow, you all know that already. So from 1 I am borrowing, here will become it will be 0 and now again it will become here 10. From 10 again I need to borrow, it will become 9 and again 10 ones. From 1 10 I am borrowing over here, now it will become 10 ones, right? So 10 plus 2 is how much? 12 minus 5. How much it is, children? After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is 7. Now 9 minus 8 is how much it is? 1. So I am getting the 0 over here, it will become now 170. So I need to see how many times I will be getting 170. So 85 2 times is how much, children? It is 170 exactly. So minus 0 minus 0, 7 minus 7 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the remainder. So from this question I can say that divisor is 85, dividend is how much? 9520. Okay, quotient is 112 and remainder is 0. So I need to verify this division. So verification method, in the recall I have said that for verification it is divisor is equals to dividend into quotient plus remainder. Okay, divisor is equals to dividend into quotient plus remainder. So I have said that if remainder is 0, there is no need of considering. So simply I can say that the dividend, which is 9520 into for verification, it is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? I have said it in the recall part. So the dividend should be 9520 when I multiply the entire divisor into quotient, and if I add the remainder, so I need to get the dividend. So we'll see. So the divisor is how much? 85, and the quotient is nothing but 112, and the remainder is 0. So when I multiply 112 into 85, you need to do it in the rough column, children, but I am writing it directly over here. I will be getting 9520. So always multiply it by normal multiplication form, like 112 into 85 you need to do, but I am not doing it. I know the answer because I am writing it directly, but you need to do this problem in your rough column, children. So it is 9520. So I got the dividend. So my long division and my quotient is correct. So this is how you verify a long division. We will take one more example for your better understanding. Now children, I have taken one more example on the board. It is 98,475 divided by 746. So I will write the divisor inside, outside it is 746, and the dividend inside. So 98475. So here it is the dividend and it is the divisor, right? Now I will be taking the first 3 digits of the number because 984 is greater than 746. So 746 one times is 746. I need to subtract it. So when I do 4 minus 6, I can't be able to find the answer. So I need to borrow 110, right? 110 from here. So it will become 7. Okay. Here it will become 14, right? So now 14 minus 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? So how much it is? 8. So the answer is 8. Now 7 minus 4, I can do it. So 7 minus 4 is how much, children? It is 3, right? So I write 3 over here. Now 9 minus 7, how much it is? It is after 7, 8, 9, it is 2. So 2. Now 238 is a smaller number when compared to 746. So I cannot do it. Now what will I do? I will bring down one more number over here. So I have now 2387. So in 746 table, 3 times I will be getting a nearer number which is nearer to 2387. So what is the number? It is 2238. Now I will subtract the number. So 7 minus 8 cannot be done. So I need to borrow 110 from 8, right? So here it will become 7. Here it is 10, right? Now 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 minus 8. How much it is, children? So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It is 9, right? It is 9. Now 7 minus 3 can be done. It is how much? After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 4. Now 3 minus 2. How much it is? 1. And this is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now I will be bringing down this number over here. Now the new number for me is 1495. Now in the table of 746, I need to find a nearer number or an exact number for 1495. So if I see like that, for 742 2 times, I will be getting a nearer number for 1495, which is 1492. Okay, I need to subtract it. Now 5 minus 2 is how much? It is 3. 9 minus minus 9, 0, 4, minus 4, 0, 1, minus 1, 0. So for this I have remainder 3. Now I will be writing what is the divisor. Okay, dividend, remainder and quotient. Okay, so the quotient is how much? 132. The remainder is 3. The dividend is 98475 and divisor is 746. So to verify whether my answer is correct or not, what is the verification statement which I have told? It is nothing but dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Yes children, so when I multiply the divisor and the quotient and add the remainder, I need to get the dividend. So what is the divisor? It is 746 and the quotient is 132 plus, and what is the remainder? It is 3. So when I multiply 746 into 132, I will be getting 1492 and I need to add how much? It is 3, right? So when I add it, I will be so now when I multiply 746 into 132, I will be getting 98472 plus and the remainder 3. So when I add both the numbers, I will be getting 98475. Okay, so 98475 is the dividend of this number, right? Is the dividend of this problem. So this is how you do long division with a 3-digit number, children. There is an exercise in your textbook corresponding to this. Please do practice it.